Chef,
How we doing?
how are you?
Great. Can't
This is the
complain.
chef.
How you doing?
Chef,
Yes, sir.
you are on TikTok Live.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Chef, what's your name again, Chef?
Say it again.
What is your name?
My name is Chef Christian.
Chef Chris.
Yes, sir. Christian.
Christian.
Yes, sir.
So, Chef, what can you tell our viewers if they were to come here? What should they expect?
What you should expect is a menu that's like no other. One thing that I would say is don't look at the price, don't look at the artwork. Pay attention to what you're here for, an ambiance, an experience. You know, you want to taste beautiful drinks, we have beautiful drinks. If you want to try something that is not of your liking, please go for it. It's an experience. You're not going to like everything in life, but you're going to know what's your cup of tea.
Okay.
That's all I can say.
All right. So, Chef, what is your background?
My background is I'm Dominican and Mexican. I was born and raised in the Bronx.
You know how to cook Dominican food, too, right?
Oh yes, 100%.
100%.
100%. My mother, I was basically bred in the kitchen.
So, you work under Chef Duke.
Yes, sir. I am Chef Duke Chef.
Okay, so you know how to cook Asian food too?
Oh, a little bit.
Little bit.
Yes, sir.
You get in there.
Oh, we're almost there.
Yeah.
So what I want it to be.
Because I'm following Duke everywhere it goes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So I'm going to test your food tonight.
Yeah, sounds
Yeah.
great.
So what do you recommend if I were to order something here?
Oh, beautiful. I love that you asked that. Today, always ask for the specials. Today we have a beautiful special of slow braised oxtails with pinto rice, plátano maduros, which is just sweet plantains, and we have a small side salad.
Small side salad.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's a
so,
nice, beautiful, hefty plate. And if you know us Caribbeans, we love hefty. We
Hefty,
love
yeah.
choices.
Okay, so the oxtail.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it like Jamaican type or
No, it's Haitian style.
Asian style?
Yes, sir.
But not like Jamaican.
Not like Jamaican.
So you don't use the Jamaican spice in that oxtail?
No, no Jamaican spice.
It's Asian spice.
Haitian 100%. What we like to add into it, we put a little epice marinade to make it Haitian.
Okay.
Then we also add herbs, spices. You know, we don't forget the tomato paste. You always gotta add the tomato paste.
Okay.
Just slow braise a little under 4 hours. So, a little under 4 hours.
Under 4 hours.
Yep. So you know it's almost fall off the bone.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to
Very
check that
tender.
tonight.
Please do. My mouth is watering and it's, just already.
And then for the drink, what should I accompany that with?
Ooh, you should get the Mr. Ula.
Mister?
Mr. Ula.
What's that?
Yes, sir. It's a beautiful drink. It comes on a nice stage show with strawberries and a little bit of triple sec. We mix in some tequila if you like tequila. You know, it's a beautiful drink.
All right, chef. Thank you. So I'm not going to keep you. So I come to visit. So I want to give my viewers some experience here.
Awesome.
So we live. So I go live on Monday and Thursday and on Friday. But since Duke told me that you guys are going to have this here, then I'm going to come back here Sunday to have a interview with Naj.
Awesome. We'd
So
love to have you.
how do you like Naj as your boss?
Oh my gosh. First and foremost, let's just say God bless women. I love that woman is empowered. We
Yeah.
need that. We
Okay.
need that. So God bless her for doing so and for bringing me on to, Duke brought me on board where it's beautiful. She's great. She's honest. She's very transparent as far as how you want to go in life.
Okay.
And let's just say one thing I was told being young, there's nothing wrong with being a follower as long as you have a great leader.
That's true. Yeah.
And help me honing my skills as a leader.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Very good. So good. Because that's what she said about Naj.
Yeah.
Great boss.
Awesome. That's all
So
it is.
Sunday I'm going to find out
Yeah.
when I ask her questions.
Sounds good.
All right, so let me go.
Look.
And then, chef, when can I visit your kitchen?
Oh, anytime you like.
What about now?
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Let's go. So, nobody in the kitchen, no?
So I have a little bit of surprise.
I know.
You sound good?
That's good.
All right.
Duke. I'm
Allez,
fine.
maintenant, vidéo, je
Sorti, Duke.
on a vidéo, je
Duke, I'm caché. That's the kitchen.
Yes, sir. It's
See?
a beautiful kitchen.
Beautiful.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Oh, the
We have
ladies.
lovely Bernice, Rosanna. We have Alex,
Alex,
Marcus.
Marcus. Hey guys, how are you?
And,
Thank you for everything.
yes,
Wow.
Sir, yes, sir. Thank you. This is the beautiful oxtail I was speaking of.
That's the menu today.
Yep.
That's the oxtail.
Someone wanted the fried rice. We are Yes Kitchen.
Okay.
I worked under Michelin star chef, so everything is we chef.
We chef.
We're
So
Yes.
whatever the customer
guest
wants,
wants, we'll
you
make
can
it
make
happen.
it. You
We'll
can
make it happen.
customize it.
Yes, we'll make it happen. We try not to because we want you to appreciate the dish for what it is. Don't
Okay,
change
okay.
too much.
All right.
Don't change too much.
So every food that is cooking here, you have your touch in it.
Yes. 100%.
100%?
This fried rice, once again, I worked under Michelin star chef in New York. We perfected how to make a really good fried rice. I stashed at Carbone for a little bit, so I learned how to perfect pastas. As far as burgers, I used to work for David Burke. So
Okay.
David Burke's really big on steaks and burgers. I honed my skills under steaks and everything, all that good stuff with
Yes.
meats.
The kitchen is big. What about your
In the
freezer?
back, that's where we do a little bit of prep right now.
The
we're
prep.
still getting it to where we
Okay,
want it
the
to be.
prep. Okay. All right. It is a huge kitchen. You have like, wow,
Yeah, so much space.
a lot of space.
So much space. Yep.
How do you like it?
Famous Ula burger.
Huh?
Ula burger.
That's the way it comes.
Yes, sir. Get a beautiful knife on top. The bottom bacon.
The party is you guys made it or you back the party?
We make it.
You make it
Everything
from
we make
scratch.
in-house. Yep, from scratch.
Okay. All right, chef. So Sunday I'll be coming here for more because when there's less traffic here.
Yeah, beautiful.
All right. Thank
Great
you.
to have you, brother.
I
Thank
appreciate
you.
it, chef. Thanks very
Absolutely.
much.